Hey everybody, this is Rebecca Totila with Aroma Hut, and today we're going to talk about how to make your bathroom shine. Are you still using conventional products with harmful, hormone-disrupting chemicals? It's time to ditch the chemicals and switch to all natural cleaning products made with essential oils. You can add essential oils to detergent to clean your laundry, sanitize your kitchen, and nix the mold in your bathroom shower, all with the confidence of knowing that these active cleaning agents won't harm your health. Shine faucets and sinks. Apply lemon essential oil to a cleaning cloth and rub on chrome faucets and handles to add shine. This oil works well to remove hard water stains and soap scum on surfaces. Streak-free mirrors. Add 10 drops of lemon essential oil to a quarter cup of vinegar and water and wipe the glass and mirror clean. Scrub away soap scum. Tea tree oil can shorten your work time scrubbing soap scum in your tub or shower. Just sprinkle some baking soda onto a damp sponge and add a few drops of tea tree oil. Give your tub or shower a scrub and watch the soap scum disappear. When making natural products with essential oils at home, you only need a few ingredients. Here's a list of items you're going to need: essential oils, baking soda, vinegar, glass spray bottles, and a clean cloth or sponge. For more recipes and tips, get a copy of my latest book, Cleaning with Essential Oil. Click the link below.